Hi everyone, I am going to walk you through how to do a Panopto recording starting from Canvas. So go to our Canvas homepage, which is where I am right now, and click on Panopto Recordings. Hopefully you have it downloaded onto your laptop already. If not, just go ahead and click Create and go on Record a New Session. And then, if you already have it downloaded, you'll be able to see Open Panopto or Download Panopto. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to click Open Panopto. And my computer wants to know if I'm okay with opening it. So I'm going to say, yes, computer, please open it. Okay, so now I see the Panopto screen. And since I have my video camera going, I can see my own face. So because I have ticked Capture PowerPoint and Capture Main Screen, if I pull up a PowerPoint, it's going to do both PowerPoint and my face being recorded. If you want to do both, that's totally fine. If you want to just do the PowerPoint and not your face, you would just unclick Capture Main Screen, and then you would just open a presentation. If you want to just do your face, then you would just do your face. So you just do Capture Main Screen. I'll do both. So I'll open a PowerPoint presentation. See if I can find one here. Let's pick this as a presentation for class. Begin recording after PowerPoint opens. Sure, why not? Yes. All right, so here I am in my attachment lecture. And so then I would, this is a different PowerPoint than what you guys would do. You guys are obviously doing your outcome ones. This is just the first PowerPoint that came up. So blah, 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 attachment, Bowlby, Ainsworth, emotional development. I actually love this topic. More so than I ever thought I would, being a cognitive development person. I really like this social development stuff. Side note, anyway, sorry. All right, so let's pretend I'm done. Just exit out of that. Pull up my Panopto again. Notice it's still recording, even though I stopped presenting my PowerPoint. So I'm just going to push stop. And the recording is complete. So I might name it. I might say, okay, this is my attachment lecture video. And you guys would probably just call it like outcome 1, outcome 2. You don't have to name it if you don't want to, but it might be easier for you to find it. So then I just click upload. And here you can see upload progress is going on. It's uploading. It takes a while for it to upload, depending on your internet speed, because it is using, the cloud. And I'm just impatient, so I'm going to go right ahead to manage my recordings. Manage my recordings opens up a new browser window, defaults to Internet Explorer on my computer. And then here I have, make it bigger. Here I have this, what do you call it? My managing area for my most recent videos. So here it has attachment lecture video, and look, it's still processing slides. You can see processing slides, processing, still processing. I'll just let it process for a while. It's, 43-second long video. So I can't do very much with it. While it's processing. But I think I can do the share link. Yeah, so I already have the share link there. So then I can just take that share link and copy. I'm just going, well, here, I'll even do it like this. Copy. And then I'll open up my ECED thing. And I would then go into modules. And I would go into the outcome 1 video. Let's just pretend I'm doing outcome 1. Outcome 1 video. And I would upload it. You guys would see something different, I guess. Here, I'll put myself in student view so it looks like how it'll look for you. Student view. You won't have to do that step because you already are in student view. So I go to blah, 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 outcome 1 video. I already submitted a video because I did it yesterday in class. So I'll just say I'm resubmitting a video. Here's my new video. and I'm just going to call it a website URL because that's what it is. And then I'll just go paste, submit assignment. Bada bing, bada boom, my assignment is submitted. So that's it. That's all you got to do. It's that easy. Somebody did ask yesterday, hey, if I don't like my video, can I change it? And I'll show you how you can do that. So you go into this video manager thing, and now it's published a little bit more, so it'll let me open it, and I can click on it, and it'll bring me to my video. And that way I can watch it. Let's see if it pulls it up fast enough. There it is. I don't have my speakers on, but you know, you get the idea. PowerPoint and what you guys do. You guys are obviously doing your outcome ones. This is just the first PowerPoint that came up. So blah, 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 attachments. All right, so you get the gist of it. So there's my video. I pause it. If I want to edit it, you know, there are some choices here for editing it. I can click on it and, oh no, I can't do that. How can I edit it actually? Well, you can add some notes. You can add a bookmark. But I don't see anything where you can crop it. I thought you could crop it or something, but I don't see any. Maybe you guys, if you want to mess around with it, you can crop it. At the very least, you can watch your video, and if you hate it, you can record it again. So that's what you can do in the preview feature. I'll show you one more thing that people might be curious about. So when you are recording a video, and you open Panopto, let's just say I want to do a new recording, you can choose this folder. So mine automatically went into ECED 280 and Spring 18. So that's the folder. I've added all you guys to that folder, so hopefully when you see this drop down, you can choose it, and that way you'll be able to have your videos all sort of fall into that folder. What that means is that when you are in this video manager, you'd see all your folders. Like here's my folders, and ECED 280, you know, would be, that's Spring 17. What are we in? Spring 18? Spring 18. So then see, in the folder, you'd be able to see all yours. This is the folder of ECED 280. So hopefully you guys are all added to that. If you have trouble like saving your stuff into that folder, just let me know and I'll add you again. It's in the share settings. I added everybody to it, but hopefully it's all there. All right, so this is how it's done. Good luck. If you have any troubles, just let me know, and I'm happy to sit down with you and walk you through it again on the phone or in person or whatever you'd like. It really is like a little bit challenging to just kind of get the hang of it, but that really lasts only the first week, and then usually everybody's got the hang of it after the first week or even the second week, and then you'll be fine the rest of the quarter. So no stress. You'll do great. Focus on the content of the outcomes, and the technology will come too. Have a good day.